Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to change the control panel from the original control panel, vacuum control by time, to this new control panel, which can have the control by time and control by vacuum percentage and time extent. So I'm going to instruct first, take the old control panel out, take the screw out, and then unscrew the connector. Okay, take it out. And then for the new control panel, just took the vacuum pipe from the vacuum gauge and then put it in. Okay, push in and make sure it's tight. See, it's cannot pull out. So once you want to pull out, push this ring out and then you can pull out. Okay, and then there's a way to push in, lock. Okay, and next connect the cable wire and lock it. Make sure it's proper lock, otherwise when they take apart, there's no power to deliver to the control panel. Okay, after you're done, push in. Okay. See, at the same time you can see the STB standby lights up, and then push this button. Okay, so at the same time you can say H1000. Okay, so how to identify? Now when you see the plus 04, that means this control panel has been set up for vacuum by time and time delay. Okay, so how to switch from the control by time and control by vacuum percentage? Press shift and then triangle. Okay, so you can see the program blinking, and then now you can see 25. That means 25 seconds for vacuum time. Okay, how to identify is vacuum by time or vacuum by percentage? Okay, so if you don't see minus up front of the number, that means by time. If you see, okay, so press shift and then triangle. See, now you can see minus 99, that's mean 99% by vacuum. Okay, so that's the vacuum percentage. Okay, if 99% is not enough for you, you can keep in press the plus. So this function, you can have plus 001, that means when the vacuum degree reach 99%, is will have the time postponed. So that means 1 second. When it reach 99%, you can have an actual 1 second. If that's not enough, so just keep it increase, decrease. When you decrease, see, it will come back to 99%. Okay, so that's a way. Okay, so the next I'm going to instruct how you going to change to have the pulse function, which is vacuum stop, and reach the percentage or the time what you need. Okay, so let's switch it to the time first. Okay, so that's set up for program 1. Okay, and then to lock in the inner parameter, just hold the auto menu for 5 seconds. Okay, so now you can see 01, and then to have a pulse function, just to F, go to F. So when you see 1, that means the pulse function has been activated. If you see 0, that means the pulse function has not been activated. Okay, so that 01 is a way to, 0 and 1 is a way to identify it's been activated or not. Okay, so let's switch to 1. Okay, and then use to come back. Okay, so now I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's come back to the original one. Okay, so that means total time for vacuum is 35 seconds. And then when you see the vac is blinking, the light of vac is blinking, that means it will vacuum for 4 seconds, and then when you see vacuum and purge function, that means stop for 7.5 seconds. Okay, so and then if this machine got gas function, it's still the same. When you see the vac time solid lights, so that means the vac time how long you need, and then when you see the vac blinking, that means stop. No, it's a vacuum how many seconds for gas, and then it stopped for how many seconds. Okay, so that's set up for the soft air. So now the soft air, you can see the soft air is 5 seconds, and then when you see soft air blinking, that means we're soft air for 0.2 seconds and then stop for 0.2 seconds. So it's got the same. When you have a vacuum, it's got the same. When you see, that's the first is total time, and then vacuum, and then stop. So either for vacuum, gas, and then soft air, all got the same three number you need to take care. Okay, so this machine has been set up for 35 seconds first. So let's see what's going on. See, it stopped for 7.5 seconds, and then restart vacuum again until 35 seconds reach. It's calm down. Okay, go to the next function. It's software. Okay, so what about if you do use a vacuum by percentage? So let's switch to, okay, for example, you need to reach 99% and 5 seconds. Okay, so let's see. Got the same. 4 second vacuum and 7.5 second plus until reach 99% plus 4 second postpone. So no matter you do vacuum by time or do vacuum by percentage, it's got the same. So you can either setting for vacuum by time or vacuum by percentage. Alright, that's it, the purge function setup. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you.